So I'm going to show you how to install the iOS 27 beta software for AirPods on your AirPods Pro. So this is very simple. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure the AirPods are close to your iPhone, and then have them charging, and then open up the case. And with the AirPods charging and the case open so they connect to your iPhone, let's just keep this open like that. If they can stay open, just like that. Okay, so that's gonna connect. So now what you need to do is simply go to settings on your iPhone, go to your AirPods Pros, and of course before you do this, you need to have installed the beta software for iOS 27 onto your iPhone. Okay, so that needs to be done first. So you can see my iPhone. If I go to General under Settings and I go to Software Update, you can see I'm running iOS 27, the beta software, the developer's beta. So now you can go back to your AirPods, and in your AirPods settings page, scroll down and you should see AirPods beta updates. Tap on that and then turn that on. Now once you turn that on, then you've basically allowed your AirPods to install the beta software. You can now close the case and just leave the AirPods charging close to your iPhone for some time, and then you'll get the beta updates installed. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.